So first we discuss about the primary treatment. Okay, primary treatment include the physical process. Okay, primary treatment include the physical process like the separation or sedimentation. Separation or sedimentation two process include in the physical treatment. Okay, by the separation we remove the large debris, gravels means pathar, gravels insect. Okay, so by the separation method we remove the all big impurities contained in the sewage. Okay, like the polythenes, wrappers, glass, bottles, tin, etc. We remove with the help of the separation process. And gert means mitti. Okay, this is removed by the sedimentation process. Okay, sedimentation means settling down process of the fine particles of the soil. Okay, by the sedimentation process we remove the gert. Okay, so primary treatment involve the different step. Primary treatment, in a primary treatment involve different. First step, floating debris are removed. First we remove the floating debris, means those materials which float on the water, that type of debris be removed by the sequential filtration. Okay, after filtration we use sedimentation process, or in this sedimentation process we remove the soil and small pebbles. Okay, all solid that settle down form primary sludge. All solids that settle down form the primary sludge and supernatant form of the effluent and form the effluent structure. You observe when drainage is clean your near the house, then some substances, some material is taken out from the drain and keep from the outside of the drain. Okay, so that substance, that material is called the influent. Okay, now this effluents is transferred into the secondary treatment process or secondary treatment process. Okay, in a secondary treatment process, is called the biological treatment. Okay, biological treatment. Why? Because in this treatment we use the microbes. Okay, so the effluent of the primary treatment transfer into the aeration tank. In aeration tank, masses of the bacteria and associated with fungal filaments are formed. Okay, in this tank, in aeration tank, when we influent transfer into the aeration tank, due to the large amount of oxygen, this place many aerobic bacteria are developed. Aerobic bacteria and fungal filaments are developed, which digest the organic material and convert into the inorganic substances like the phosphate, nitrate and the sulfate. Okay, and by this process, by this activity, BOD of the water is decreases. Now this water is transferred into the settling tank. Now this water is transferred into the settling tank where bacterial flock allowed to settle down. Bacterial flock means jhund. Okay, is settled down. This sediment is called this sludge is called the activated sludge. Okay.